In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. First, a quick note about what we're changing. Chrome has its own profile picture that helps you tell one browsing profile from another. It's the little circle in the top right of the Chrome window and the image you see on the profile picker when you switch between personal, work, or guest profiles. This is separate from your Google account photo in Gmail or Drive, so updating it here affects Chrome's look and profile label, not your account picture across Google. To begin, open Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click your current profile picture. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you're in the one you want to update before you continue. The menu that opens shows quick controls like sync status, passwords, and the option to switch profiles. From that menu, choose Customize Profile. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear as a button, a pencil icon, or a link that says Customize. Either way, it takes you to the profile customization page where you can change the avatar, name, and theme color for this profile. You don't need admin access to do this on a personal computer, but on a work-managed device, this option may be restricted by your organization. Now pick your desired profile picture. You'll see a gallery of built-in icons designed by Chrome. Clicking one selects it instantly. As soon as you choose an image, it updates in the top right corner of the window and in the profile picker, so you can confirm it worked at a glance. There's nothing else to save here. Chrome applies the change automatically. If you're signed in and sync is on, the same profile image will appear on your other devices when you open this profile. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Customize Profile option, try updating Chrome and relaunching the browser. If your goal is to use your personal photo across Google services, you'll need to change your Google account picture in your account settings instead. The Chrome profile avatar is just for Chrome profiles. And if you share a computer, giving each profile a distinct image and color makes it much harder to mix up tabs and bookmarks. That's it. You've updated your Chrome profile picture quickly and cleanly, and your browser will be easier to recognize every time you open it.